Hi everyone. In the history of microbiology, we started off discussing about the different contributions made by different scientists in various videos. In this video, we are going to discuss about Mr. Sergei Winogradsky, who lived from 1856 to 1953. Sergei Winogradsky was a Russian scientist, especially microbiologist, ecologist, and soil scientist who pioneered the cycle of life concept. He made many contributions to the field of soil microbiology, and thus he was called as founder of soil microbiology. He was much interested in soil bacteria, and his interest he shared with Mr. BEIJERINCK. So we discussed BEIJERINCK in another video, so you can go through it. He also studied deeply the role played by microorganisms in the fixation of atmospheric nitrogen. He isolated the pure cultures of nitrifying bacteria and demonstrated that the process of nitrification was the result of bacterial activity. He also studied the oxidation of hydrogen sulfide in natural habits by sulfur oxidizing bacteria. His greatest contribution to microbiology was the development of a laboratory jar to create the natural environment for the observation purpose. And this jar is popularly known as Winogradsky column. So here you can see the growth of different microbes and their physiological activities which can be studied in the laboratory conditions by using this column. He also proposed the concept of chemolithotrophy to explain the oxidation of inorganic compounds along with the release of energy for cell metabolism. With this oxidation energy, even pigmentless bacteria can live as autotrophs by assimilation of carbon dioxide present in the air. The concept of chemolithotrophy was not readily accepted during his time, but nowadays it is widely accepted as an important process for the survival of microbes. And he also isolated by the enrichment culture technique the soil inhabiting autotrophic nitrogen fixing bacteria called as Clostridium pasteurinum. And during his lifetime, Winogradsky published a number of scientific papers and an important monograph called Microbiology II Soil. So remember this name. You may get this as a bit in the multiple choice or in the blanks, which is regarded as a milestone in the microbiology. This book contained many of the original diagrams of microbes which he isolated during his scientific career. So these are the few contributions that were made by Mr. Sergei Winogradsky in the field of microbiology, and he was considered as the founder of soil microbiology. And major invention is one, enrichment culture technique, another one is the involvement or development of a laboratory jar, that is Winogradsky column. This is all about Mr. Winogradsky. Thank you.